Morning, everyone, and today I'm going to be covering Google Forms as a submission for polls forms and other types of assessments in online education. So, if you see here on the main page, I've created a quiz called a ketogenic diet assessment, and it prompts students to enter in their name, and then it gives them instructions with quiz questions, which asks them to select the best answer for each of the following questions, and then here are the 5 questions for the quiz. When they complete all 5, they're able to submit it down here in the bottom right-hand corner. As a instructor in this, you can then go to the responses section and you can get a summary, and you can also go question by question or evaluate each individual's performance. And you're able to kind of look at the data and statistics behind the quiz results in order to kind of have a better understanding of how your class is performing within the new assessment. So here are some general stats. You have your average point score, your median point score, and your range, and then you have your point distributions. You can see who all has answered it from the response section, and then you can actually go question by question to see who got um, which question right from a class standpoint. So here we have 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, and 8 out of 10 as well. So overall, pretty good on this assignment. No question standing out as some not being fair by any stretch. Likewise, just to the first page there, you can also go and do this. There is an ability to do an ungraded response. These are just the people's names entered in, as there's no point value associated with that. But if you do have essay questions, this is a way you're able to go in and enter feedback and grade questions that aren't multiple choice. And finally, you can go to the individual. So this one is for an individual named Tasmeem, and you can see each one of her quiz answers and what her score was, and you can then dial through the rest of them and see all the different people who answered the questions and how they were performing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact me.